guys, welcome to a very nonsense video in my channel. All my videos are nonsense, reality check, but welcome to this one, which will be a bigger nonsense. So apparently today is Easter Sunday and I have been in the UK for 3 years and I have never celebrated Easter because I had no idea what it was. I only associated Easter with eggs and bunnies because that is what we learned, that children are dressed up as bunnies and they are in some sort of an Easter egg hunt, and all the chocolates here in the shops are made in the shape of eggs and children are really excited to buy them. But I was just checking internet and I was seeing that apparently it's the resurrection of Jesus after the crucifixion and it symbolizes rebirth, growth, new life and victory over sin or something like that, which I don't believe in. I had no idea about this because हम India से है, and in India Jesus only arrives on the 25th of December in people's minds and memories. बट मैंने सोचा कि यही मेरा आखिरी साल है और क्यों ना आई सेलिब्रेट ईस्टर इन माई ओन वे, अलोन. यार मेरे इंग्लिश को क्या हो गया है. एनीवे, ये ईस्टर सेलिब्रेट करने का थॉट भी मुझे आया बिकॉज आई हैव बीन गिफ्टेड वन ऑफ दीज ईस्टर एग चॉकलेट्स बाय वन ऑफ माई वेरी फेवरेट पीपल. अगर उन्होंने नहीं दिया होता आई वुड नेवर हैव थॉट ऑफ मेकिंग दिस वीडियो आल्सो. बट लुक एट द वेदर गाइस, इट्स गॉर्जियस, इजंट इट. डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होना है. So basically this is the Malteser flavored, because there are so many brands, every brand of chocolates makes these kind of Easter eggs, and this is my first time unboxing an Easter egg chocolate. मैंने बस बाहर से और दूर से देखा है. I have never really received any present, और तुमको पता है पैसे दे के मैं इस stupid सामान नहीं खरीदती, इससे और ज़्यादा stupid सामान खरीदती हूँ. So let's open my first ever Easter egg chocolate. Oh my god, there is literally a chocolate, a golden one, जो कि मैं बाहर से ही देख सकती हूँ, which is shaped in the form of an egg, and inside it is actually, because the size is XL, inside is actually another small box consisting of 3 more Malteser bars. So these are the Malteser bars. They had this egg and these 3 Malteser chocolate bars. Let me open them. They are actually basically in the shape of a very cute bunny. This is the egg, this is the bunny, and let me have a bite of this very cute bunny. इसका पिछवाड़े से स्टार्ट करूँ कि कान से स्टार्ट करूँ? Coated with chocolate. It has got crunchy bits inside as well, which I really like. Anyway, it's time to unbox this huge egg. सोच रही हूँ कि करूँ कि नहीं करूँ, but कर लेती हूँ. Ooh, this one is the egg. Now what to do with this? I think you need to poke and break it. Or I broke it with my teeth. See? It's hollow from the inside. It has got an egg coating and really nice. Tastes exactly like chocolate. इसके बाद मैं सुपरमार्केट गई और सोचा कि मैं एक और बकचोदी करूँगी. वो है मैंने कैडबेरी का वो छोटा छोटा मिनी एग्स आता है, ठीक है. सो आई गॉट वन ऑफ दीज and then I thought, why not compare it with an actual egg? Why? What was the need of this? Because I am stupid. So chocolate versus real egg time. Egg को खोल लिया मैंने, chocolate को खोल लिया. I think this chocolate is not hollow. It's very heavy. This is the chocolate. This is the egg. Let me have the chocolate first. एकदम hollow नहीं है. Entirely filled with chocolate and exactly tastes like dairy milk. Really recommend this. Now time to taste actual egg. So the difference is it's not sweet, it's hard, it's soft, it has got a smell, it has not, it is tastier, it is not. So that was it for my Easter video. लग रही हूँ ना मैं भी बनी जैसी. Anyway, happy Easter, bye.